Daybreaks. This early grazer is ahead of the day. Native to Australia and New Guinea. These macropod are not kangaroos. They're wallaby, they belong to the same family. But these are much smaller animals. Spread throughout Australia, usually in remote, heavily timbered areas. Thrown around loosely. The term wallaby is used for any smaller sized macropod. Wallabies have few natural predators: dingoes, wedge-tailed eagles and Tasmanian devils. But the introduction of feral predators like foxes, cats and dogs has been disastrous for many species, pushing some to the brink of extinction. Set alone at the bottom of the planet. A vast bushland in desert wastelands thousands of kilometers. Home to some of the deadliest animals on Earth. And beneath the sea. Australia, the outback, the land down under. An abundance of wildlife flourish here. Here there are some of the rarest and most amazing animals known to man. In the bush there are dangers around every bend. The heat alone is enough to kill you. From the stingrays in the sea, to the freshwater alligator and the dry cracked desert lands. Australia is rich with vibrant life. All over the continent creatures live in balance with one another. There are many different species of animals and many different forms of landscapes. A rich ecosystem of lush and rich plant life and marsh wetlands. Scattered about the green and red bushlands. With every amazing landscape, there is just as amazing wildlife. The land provides and caters to all the needs of the life sustained here. There are certain rules and orders to the way of life here in the outback. The energy of the bush is in its own sense a way of life. Everything thrives and adjusts accordingly. The outback is truly a world of its own. Much of the nature and wildlife found on the continent is unique to the island courtesy of it being isolated from the rest of the world for millions of years. Despite being home to 21 out of the world's 25 most deadliest snakes, Australia is not known for large predatory animals. In fact, the largest carnivorous mammal is the dingo, a free-roaming wild dog. Despite the many different species that call Australia home, the most commonly associated with the land down under belong to the marsupial family. There are 45 species of whales and dolphins found in Australian waters. Australia is among a handful of countries where you can swim with humpbacks. Dolphins are found throughout Australia's oceans and our offshore waters, bays and coastal inlets.